Google has revealed that its new quantum computing chip, Willow, is capable of performing a computing challenge in less than 5 minutes, a process Google says would take one of the world's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years, or longer than the age of the universe. Along with more powerful performance, researchers also found a way to reduce errors. Instead of bits, which represent either 1 or 0, quantum computing uses qubits, a unit that can exist in multiple states at the same time, such as 1, 0, and anything in between. As noted by Google, qubits are prone to errors because they have a tendency to rapidly exchange information with their environment. However, Google's researchers discovered a way to reduce errors by introducing more qubits to a system, and were able to correct them in real time. Google's next goal is to perform a first, useful beyond classical computation that is both relevant to a real-world application and one that typical computers can't achieve.
Mediacorp, Singapore's largest media conglomerate, has selected Lawo's advanced IP broadcast technology for its Alternative Broadcast Center, BBTC, reinforcing the company's move towards IP-based infrastructure. Mediacorp, which operates a range of television channels, radio stations, and digital platforms, is using BBTC as a testbed for full IP redundancy as part of its strategic upgrade of its main campus at One North. This project, largely carried out by systems integrator BCI, showcases how Lawo's flexible and reliable solutions can future-proof broadcast workflows. Lawo's solution links 4 studios to the master control room. The MCR is powered by 2 fully redundant Lawo power core units, providing broad routing and DSP capabilities. Each power core is connected via fiber to audio I/O extender units, ensuring secure, high-capacity audio I/O across the network. Each of the 4 studios is equipped with a 12-fader diamond broadcast console. This tool, Lawo's virtual radio studio control environment, gives engineers full visibility and control over the entire system from a single interface.
In Finland, experienced AV engineer Andy Simons and his Cave company have deployed Genelec loudspeaker systems to create a one-of-a-kind simulator facility aimed at nurturing the next generation of Finnish racing talent. Simon's simulators, located at Cave's headquarters in Seinäjoki, are designed to provide young drivers with an opportunity to train in an environment that closely replicates the real-world conditions of Formula and GT racing. To achieve this, Simons relied on 2 key partners, Genelec and Apsen. Central to the realism of the simulators is the AV setup, which includes Aston Martin simulator with 10 Genelec 8340 studio loudspeakers and 2 7360 subwoofers, while the Formula chassis simulator system comprises 5 8351 studio loudspeakers and 1 7380 subwoofer. The driver is seated in front of a 180-degree, 7-meter diameter curved Apsen LED screen, with the loudspeakers arranged in upper and lower 5.1 layers to create an immersive sound environment.
South Africa's Department of Communications and Digital Technologies has secured cabinet support for a further extension of the country's analog switch-off from December 31st, 2024 to March 31st, 2025. The extension will ensure that as many indigent households as possible will enjoy their right to access broadcast services. Broadcasters and stakeholders have been informed. The postponement recognizes the considerable delays that have plagued the broadcasting digital migration project since its inception and provides the necessary relief that makes provision for more time to migrate as many South African as possible before the final switch-off.
The organizers of Integrated Systems Europe 2025 show, taking place at Fira de Barcelona Gran Via from 4 to 7 February 2025, have announced that the official ISE 2025 floor plan is now live, showcasing an expanded layout across 8 halls with 7 dedicated technology zones. This year, the show promises to be bigger and better than ever, with over 330 new exhibitors joining the impressive lineup of leading brands from across the Pro AV and systems integration industry. The ISE 2025 floor plan and exhibitor list can be accessed via the QR code displayed on your screen.
OpenAI made its Sora generative AI video tool available to the public on Monday, December 9th, 10 months after its soft beta launch in February. The new version, Sora Turbo, that's significantly faster than the beta version, is being released as a standalone product at Sora.com to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users. Sora generates realistic videos from text with users able to generate videos up to 1080p resolution, up to 20 seconds in length and in widescreen, vertical or square aspect ratios. The platform allows users to use their own tools to extend, remix, and blend or generate entirely new content from text.
Dear colleagues, if you want your news to be included in Briefly, please contact us in the comments. Let's make news together.